What's up, guys? It's real gloomy out here today, but yeah, with that pop on Veneers smile, brighten up any day. It's your boy, Mr. Get Your Greatness out here at GYG all day. Here to talk about these Veneers, these pop on Veneers specifically that I got. You see, I ain't got the bottom ones, but they coming. I just ordered them last week, and I can't wait till they get here. Yeah, but just want to talk a little bit more about these ones that I have on right now. As you can see, these are the natural ones, I believe, and they are awesome. Reason I got them was because, you know, as you can see, all this gray, my brother's getting old. And as we get old, our teeth get old, you know. I try to take care of my teeth. You know, I brush every day, rinse every now and then. But you can't beat old age when it comes to that. So yeah, I had to find a solution. So I found pop on Veneers. I found them online. I seen you know, the promotion, the marketing popping up on my Facebook feed. Figured, hey, let me give it a shot. And yeah, I love them. Trust me, you're gonna love them too. I got them because look at these things. I hate them. Got a cavity up there I need to get fixed. Cavity over there, chipped tooth here, and got a little bit discoloration to them. You know, old age kicked my butt, along with a lot of fighting, a lot of combat sports. Kicked my butt, kicked my teeth, literally. So I had to get these. I love them, man. I wish I could just leave them on forever. If I could leave them on forever, they would stay on forever. But you gotta take them off every now and then. Gotta keep them nice and bright. You can see they pop on so easily. Perfect fit. And that smile. Yeah. Boy. Your boy is back. Thanks to pop on Veneers. Let me show y'all my mold created with these things. Oh, it looks just like my real teeth. Chip, except for the cavities in it, but yeah, I got little chips in the back. All that back there, everything. But once you do the impressions and you get them perfect, these babies will come out perfect. So like I said, I can't wait for my bottom row to come. Everybody's been loving my smile. You know, I told them, these are pop on Veneers, baby. I ain't no shame in my game. Yeah, pop them on, click them on, ready to go, baby. Brighten up anybody's day with pop on Veneers, baby. Again, my bottom ones are coming in. I can't wait. I'm so excited. They should be here in about like a week and a half. And yeah, they getting popped on also. I want to thank y'all, Pop on Veneers. You got your boys smiling. I'm cheesing around here all day. The sun is out all the time around here. Pop on Veneers, baby. We love you.